These are my fish. I remove all the woods. See guys, this is from garage. So this two is available for sale. I already posted in the Facebook Marketplace. You can find there, just type 20 gallon. Long and 10 gallons. Everything is included, the accessories, the filter, everything. And the wallpaper at the back. So this one will stay here in the garage. So I have angelfish. It looks good compared before. That's the wood. You have woods before, 3 woods. But it seems like they cannot move around, like, you know, they're struggling to go to run with other fish. So now they are free to swim, everything, with 3 matches of the plants. That's the real plants, guys. So according to them, it's better to put live plants because to prevent like ammonia levels getting high. So it's good. I still have here a lot of peoples available. So you have 2 here. So I'm planning to buy 75 gallons again here beside here. If we'll sold that this aquarium, will buy 75 gallons, so I can put the Oscar fish. So because one of my friend offering me 2 Oscar fish, it's already 5 inches. I said no, not yet, because I don't have a aquarium for that. But inside the house, there's a big one, 2 big ones. It's 500 gallons and 120 gallons. That's for my cichlids and for koi. So this one, all fish here, the small fish, cichlids. I know not cichlid, this is angelfish. And molly, 1 goldfish. And suddenly one of my goldfish inside, it's already dead because I don't know. You go to the canister filter, like in the suction area, and then you suction his head. That's a goldfish. So RIP for my goldfish. So before, you see that the goldfish like that, the small one there with the matching with the red in the forehead. That was him before. Now it's so big. So I did not take video because it's not good. When the fish is dying, then you will gonna put video, take video. So this is my garage aquarium. So happy fish keeping, guys. By the way, this is 55 gallon.